Hello everybody. Today we will explore attributes of quadrilaterals. So first, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is any polygon with four sides. Quadrilaterals can be classified by their angles or pairs of sides. Let's look at some types of quadrilaterals. First, we have a parallelogram. So parallelograms are quadrilaterals in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. So this side and this side are parallel. This side and this side are parallel, and they are equal in length. So this side and this side are equal in length. This side and this side are parallel and equal in length as well. Next, we have a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. All rectangles are parallelograms. They're just special parallelograms because they have four right angles. And a right angle, as you know, is a 90-degree angle, like the corner of your paper. Next, we have a square. A square is simply a rectangle that has all sides that are the same length. So all four sides are the same length. And it's a rectangle because it has 90-degree angles. So it's a special kind of rectangle. Next, we have a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides the same length. Finally, we have a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So in this case, the top and bottom are parallel, and these sides are not parallel. So I wanted to show you something else about angles and quadrilaterals. This is a rectangle, and you see each angle is 90 degrees. So if we add them all up, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that's 360. So the angles add up to 360 degrees. Now, if we change it, and I'm just going to change it so it's easy to add. Now we have 120 degrees plus 120 plus 60 plus 60. 120 plus 120 is 240. 240 plus 60 is 300. 300 plus 60 is 360 degrees. So again, the quadrilateral's angles add up to 360 degrees. And I could change this any way I'd want. And as long as it's a quadrilateral, the angles are going to total 360 degrees. So again, this one's 75 plus 75, 105 plus 105. So 105 plus 105 is 210. 75 plus 75 is 150. Add 210 plus 150, and you have 360. And it doesn't matter how I move this, it's always going to equal 360 degrees. I hope you found that interesting. I hope you found this video helpful. Now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.